ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ 78ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. Good evening everyone. On behalf of Global Malls Divinity, I wish everyone a 78th Independence Day. And it's my privilege hosting you for this beautiful day. This is your MC Nisarga Gowda hosting you for all. ಇವತ್ತು ದಿನವನ್ನ ನೆನೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ we all celebrate, the whole nation celebrate widely and so beautifully alva, because countless people has shed blood and countless people has become martyrs and so many heroes are born on this day. So this is a privilege to remind ourselves that we should be grateful for all the freedom fighters who has given their life for us. So ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಮಜಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ.